Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can register for my channel and receive everything you need to do to actually scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond using federal government cleaning contracts. So I'm going to talk today about what you can do if you're not interested in the traditional way, which is open competition. That is what it's called when you're competing to be awarded a contract by a contracting officer. So there are several things you can do when it comes to actually doing non-compete. So I'm going to talk about sole source. Sole source is a way where you're the sole source. Now, there has to be justification when it comes to competing where you're not, which we call not competing in open competition. When you're actually awarded a sole source contract without having to compete in open competition. Now, one of the ways the contracting officer is able to do that is under FAR, which is the Federal Acquisition Regulation. So FAR is the Federal Acquisition Regulation. There are 7 reasons or areas on why you do not have to compete when it comes to using sole source. There's 7, but several I'm going to talk to you about. Maybe 2 of them is a sense of urgency. There's like a disaster, so they have to do it quickly. Or if you have something really, really unique. Now you may think when it comes to janitorial, how could that be? But you'd be surprised. There could be a certain project that's in your area that is a sole source that's sought. So sole source sought is when they put out the sole source. They're seeking someone that can perform a service that may be unique, and you'd be surprised when it comes to cleaning. There are a lot of unique methods that you can use, like now when it comes to cleaning for the COVID. There's all kinds of unique methods that are being used that are sole sought. So do not feel that you do not have something that would be uniquely different when it comes to this area. There are several ways that you're notified, and one of them can be a special notice. When they are looking for companies, they'll send out networking invites, virtual invites for virtual events where you can showcase your business and let them know what you're made of. Now, there's several different, foggers that are being used right now. There's all kinds of ways that there is something that can be very special and unique during the COVID time that you'd be surprised. So sole source is a way to compete without or not having to compete the normal way in the open market. And it's all regulated. There's several, 7 ways, but I gave you 2. Sense of urgency, there's a disaster, they need your services, or something you're offering unique, or the 2. Now, all 7 are listed in FAR, which is the Federal Acquisition Regulation. That's like the Bible when it comes to everything in the government. So this is going to be a year that you really, really, really want to focus on your cleaning business. Whether you're looking to do private, commercial, or federal government cleaning contracts, this is the time to really take it up to the next level. And if you have an interest in knowing how to get started or how to grow your business when it comes to utilizing government cleaning contracts, then make sure you register for my How to Win Big with Federal Government Cleaning Contracts Masterclass. We really get into everything that you need to do to get started with your EIN number, your DUNS, what you need to do to register for SAMs to actually have a great profile that's going to start the actual open up everything when it comes to opening the doors for getting started. Also, there is another profile called DSBS, which is really, really important because that's the first thing that a lot of contracting officers use when they're looking for small businesses, which I'm quite sure you want to have an outstanding profile. And it is listed under keywords. It's like a Google search. So depending what you use has a lot to do with if you're found. Then we go into marketing, how to market to actual government buyers, all the way up. During this actual masterclass, we actually look at contracting opportunities. So we go to the actual opportunities where you can, live while this event is going on during the masterclass. look at contracting opportunities and see what exactly you need to do from the beginning all the way through, including what is really, really crucial, which is your capability statement and set asides. Set asides are actual opportunities, contract opportunities that are set aside for various groups and various reasons. So if that sounds like something that you would really want to learn and look forward to starting 2021 with more money and more possibility than you ever dreamed of, then make sure that you register for the How to Win Big using Federal Government Cleaning Contracts Masterclass. Would love to see you there. Space is limited. We do a Q&A session after the presentation. So if this sounds like something you'd really want to learn to start, do not be intimidated with it. It is really not as challenging as you think it could be. It's just making sure that you meet the requirements, then you know how to market, and then find the opportunities. 1, 2, 3. So look forward to seeing you there. Click the register, and until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.